laptops, smartphones, tablets, toys, scooters, just a few of the everyday items in your home that use lithium-ion batteries.
In our home, but they could cause a fire if you're not using them and getting rid of them in a safe way. So for some expert advice to get us charged up into safety, let's welcome back Kelly Reed and Tamara Roberts from Upstate's Clark Burn Center. Thank you both for joining us. From your perspective, how serious is the problem of fires from lithium-ion batteries?
Well, the U.S. Fire Administration says that the lithium-ion battery fires are becoming a real significant problem. And it was identified that there's been about 25,000 fire-related or hot injuries related to the lithium-ion batteries.
Are you seeing it at the burn center?
We have seen some.
Okay.
What are some ways, like what are some of the common devices? Because we have a number of things here laid out on the table. So what are some of the common things that we run into these kinds of problems with lithium-ion batteries and overheating and things?
Yeah, so the batteries, it's very compact, a lot of energy in a very small space. So there's some dangers with it, so you definitely have to be responsible.
It's got duct tape on it. You don't suggest
My
that.
husband's creative
Not a good
fixing.
idea.
You cannot do this.
Right?
Very
Okay,
dangerous.
wrong.
Not to.
Right. I have some other devices here too, or some other things. So what happened, they say to charge only with cables from the manufacturer of the device that you have. This was an Apple iPhone cord connected to my Apple phone. My phone went off and I went to answer it. It was very hot to touch.
Oh.
I couldn't even pick it up. So I put down the phone. This had started to melt.
Oh dear.
And then the outside of my case also started to melt.
So the knockoffs definitely be wary of, but even the ones from the manufacturers, so you have to be careful.
Yeah, you have to be cautious. So that's why we say charge on a hard, flat surface. You're never going to want to charge it in your bedroom, under your pillow, on your bed, on your couch.
Just curious, Kelly, when you got to your phone and it was hot, like what do you do? You just drop? I mean,
yeah, I ended up dropping. It was actually so hot.
What should you do?
Yeah, it was so hot. I dropped it. So you should immediately unplug it.
Unplug it. Okay.
Right. If there was signs that it was on fire or smoking, that's different.
Sure.
But in that case, I just unplugged it. It cooled and it was okay. This is not to be used.
Right.
So.
Cords get frayed. Is it okay to be creative when you have a frayed cord?
Yes, cords get frayed. This is my daughter's creative work. She didn't want, we have very few of these, so she didn't want it taken away. So she did a zip tie repair over the fray. So I would say watch what your children have, that they're not doing repairs like this. This is not safe. This could overheat your device and cause a fire. So.
The other big thing that we talk about that we're seeing a lot of more incidents with is your e-bikes and scooters. People are charging them in hallways and other areas within their home, which blocks the exits if there happens to be a fire. So it's really recommended that they're charged outside in a clean, dry area. And whether it's a shed or the garage, but not to do it within your home because you could block that access to be able to get out. And they strongly discourage people from using like your electrical lines to plug them in. You should plug them directly into an outlet.
That's right. I see the smoke detector here. Let's remind everybody about that important item that you should have in your home.
Yeah. Yeah, always making sure that you have a working smoke detector. Make sure, number one, that it's present. You want to test it every month. There's a button here that you can press to test and make sure that it's still working.
Go ahead.
Oh, it works.
That works. Okay.
So we get the beep. We know that it's working. And so you should.
Still working.
Yeah. What kind of injuries have you seen at the burn unit?
It's okay. Don't worry.
From the lithium-ion batteries, what have you seen?
Most often the ones that we have seen have been like the e-cigarettes and vapes. People are putting them in their pocket and they actually explode from the heat. Those are the most frequent ones that we've seen, other than a few house fires that have been related to the lithium-ion batteries.
Now's the time to take your time to learn how to keep your house safe, because we have all of these items in our home, and our kids' bedrooms too. So let's make sure that we're doing all we can to be fire safe this week, National Fire Prevention Safety Week. So Tamara, Kelly, thank you so much, and support the Clark Burn Unit when you can.